Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. In our last episode of this continuing series entitled Idaho versus Kohberger, we had notified you that on May 22nd, 2025, both the state of Idaho and the defense had filed notices of compliance regarding certain information and steps that each side was ordered they must do within 7 days of the service of the May 15th, 2025 document and records hold order that expressed the court's concern that the non-dissemination order may have been violated, and this had to do with it coming to the court's attention that certain sensitive information, as Judge Hippler called it in the order, not previously publicly circulated, was reported by mass media during a television program the court found was related to this case and to the defendant Brian Kohberger. And the court went on to express concerns that the person responsible for this leak must be brought to justice, must be identified, held in account, and that doing so was the best deterrent to mitigate the risk of any future violations of the non-dissemination order. Well, 24 hours after both sides, the state and the defense, filed their notices of compliance with the May 15th order, we note on May 23rd, 2025, there is a new document on the docket. It is entitled Supplemental Notice of Compliance. It says here, comes now the state of Idaho by and through the Latah County Prosecuting Attorney, and hereby provides notice that in further response to the court's document and records hold order dated May 15th, 2025, the state has lodged with the court for in-camera review a supplemental ex parte letter dated May 23, 2025, respectfully submitted this 23rd day of May 2025, signed William W. Thompson, Jr., Prosecuting Attorney. Now, a couple of things regarding this further filing. The state is saying that this is in further response. So this is something in addition to the response already given the day before, hence the term supplemental notice of compliance. The prosecuting attorney who signed this document, as opposed to the associate prosecuting attorney, who was Ashley Jennings, who signed the May 22nd, 2025 original notice of compliance, is telling us here that the state has lodged, meaning the state has submitted with the court for in-camera review a supplemental ex parte letter, meaning that this is also for in-camera examination, as the original information that was sent May 22nd was so submitted in camera, means this will not appear on the public docket. It's for Judge Hippler's eyes only. It was not produced to the other side. That is what in-camera review means. A supplemental, meaning an additional, ex parte, meaning it's from the state apparently to the court only. Now, unfortunately, there's no further details to provide the public with any means to ascertain what this ex parte letter contains, only that it's somehow related to the state's compliance with the May 15th document and records hold order. We are awaiting further details from the court as to what the status is of this investigation into this leak of evidence to the media, and once there is something that appears on the public docket in Idaho versus Kohberger, we will notify you. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.